Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm the exact device model and OS version because Netflix drops support for older firmware. Log into the same Netflix account on a phone or browser to prove the subscription is active. Once done, check your account region and plan, since geo and plan restrictions can block app availability. Make sure the device has at least 1 GB free and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Then proceed to the next actionable repair step. Now apply the software fixes that actually restore availability. Update the device OS first, then update or reinstall the Netflix app. If an update isn't offered, uninstall the app completely to remove broken signatures. Clear app data and cache to remove stale tokens. On smart TVs, use the factory app reset option. Reboot the device fully, then reconnect to a reliable network. Use wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi where possible. Finally, re-register the device so Netflix recognizes it as supported. Sign into your account on Netflix. Remove the problematic device from the devices list, then sign in again on the device to trigger a new registration. If that fails, perform a full factory reset on the device, only after backing up, because corrupted system files can block app certification. If you still see the error, gather app logs and contact Netflix support. One troubleshooting tip: try a wired connection and a different DNS if the server rejects registration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.